I need to take this screw back out. Mom, you didn't put it in straight. You put it in crooked.
This one.
Nuh-uh, you put it in crooked.
You just got to screw tighter.
Get it. I'll get the rest of these.
Okay.
I'll get these three.
Okay.
Did you screw this one down a little? It looks like
You pressing down hard?
yeah. Pressing down too hard. That's because I'm pressing down so hard. Uh-oh.
Gotta push it tight, son.
Tighter I get, the more the screwdriver falls out. Have to get it tight so it don't fall out, see? I wiggled the screw and it still didn't fall out. See?
I didn't even know you knew how to do a screwdriver good like that.
I do screwdrivers on the phone. Sometimes. Big one might be a little bit easier. So I don't have to push hard down on this one.
Still gotta push kind of hard to make it go in.
Hey, you're not finished.
Well, you're getting off.